In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request desktop site in Chrome. If you're browsing on your phone or tablet, you've probably noticed that many websites automatically open in a mobile-friendly version. That can be useful, but sometimes the mobile layout leaves out features, changes the design, or makes it harder to access the full version of a page. In those cases, switching to the desktop version can be a quick fix. To begin, open Chrome and go to the website you want to view. Start on the exact page you want to change, because the desktop request is usually applied from within the site you're already visiting. Once the page has loaded, tap the More icon, which is the three dots in Chrome's menu. This opens the browser options where you can control how the current page is displayed. From there, scroll down through the menu and check the box next to Desktop Site. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will request the desktop version of that web page instead of the mobile one. In most cases, you won't need to do anything else manually. After that, the page will reload automatically. Give it a moment to refresh. When it comes back, you should see the desktop style layout. Keep in mind that some websites may not look exactly the same on mobile screens as they do on a computer, but this setting usually gives you access to the full site experience. If you only need the desktop version for one page or one visit, you can stop there. But if you want Chrome to always open sites in desktop view by default, there's a separate setting for that. To do that, tap the More icon again, then go into Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the Advanced section and then select Site Settings. This area lets you control how websites behave inside Chrome. Next, tap Desktop Site. You'll see an option that allows you to manage this behavior more permanently. Turn on the Desktop Site toggle to make Chrome request desktop versions by default going forward. This can be especially helpful if you regularly use websites that work better in their full desktop format. Just remember that desktop pages can sometimes appear smaller on a phone screen, so you may need to zoom in or scroll more than usual. And that's it. You now know how to request a desktop site in Chrome for a single page and how to enable desktop view by default if you prefer that experience every time.